time on the beach side. I'll get one of those stickers. Please don't make me go back over the bridge. Maybe when the house prices come down, I can finally get me a little beach house. To your right is the new Margaritaville Hotel. They just renamed the A1A stretch Jimmy Buffett something Drive or something. From A1A. Compass Hotel. This gets all touristy and it's really, really cool because it's old style. Old Florida beach. And the people in town really care and they're trying to keep it that way. Salty Run. Compass at Margaritaville. Or by Margaritaville. And I guess they were able to name the road after him. Somewhere here. And here is the big Atlantic Ocean. East side, northern Florida. Forgive my jitters. Got a little neuropathy. Yeah, we're in Flagler Beach, Sally. Busy working and working. Murals everywhere painted. That's what I love about it. No right turn. That's weird. No left turn? No left turn? What the hell? That didn't, it said no right turn, right? Poor guy drove over the curb. They got all these new curbs, new lines. They are trying to salvage the dunes. In the town of Flagler, it's doggy beach friendly north of 10th Street and doggy beach friendly south of 10th Street. On the south side, past 100. So we're driving 10 blocks north. And they put out little baggies for the puppy dogs. Absolutely love the North Beach in Flagler. Just love it. Little Cuban coffee shops. Naughty Pets. Nautical pet store. Kind of cute. So anywhere north of here we can park. We will park here. Who did it drop off? It's a pretty day. I'll be right back.